In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to Canva. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into our Claude account. Once we're logged in, we're going to go to the bottom of the page where it displays our display icon. And we're going to click on it. And we're going to go to settings. On the settings, on the left side panel, you see another header called customizers. You're going to click on connectors. If you do not see it here, then you can search it in the search bar, search for connectors. Now here you can see that we have some connectors here. We don't have Canva. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the far right and click on add, click on browse connectors. Then here we're going to search Canva. Now you can see Canva. You click on the plus sign and it says connecting to Canva. We're going to wait. So here we're going to authenticate ourselves. We're going to click on continue with Google. And we're going to authenticate it here. We're going to click on continue. We're going to click on continue at the bottom. Then we're going to allow Canva with these permissions. And we have an authorization. Now that's how to connect Canva to Claude. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.